everybody, and welcome to Hands on Science, where if you ever need something to do, this is the place to be. This is Carr.
And this is Mel.
Hey, Carr.
Hey, Mel.
Hey.
What is this?
You remember this? We made this a while back.
Yes,
I
remember this.
Flashlight, right? We made a flashlight using simple things.
Oh, yeah. And then, boop.
Yeah.
Boop, boop, boop. Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Okay, so, let's do a 2.0. Let's kind of...
Ooh, upgrades.
Upgrade.
Okay.
Da-da-da-da.
Oh, wow. This
Yes.
looks like, this looks like gum wrapper foil.
Tin
And
foil.
this looks, oh, is that just tin foil?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, it's,
The ones that's
it
used
looks
for
like
cooking.
a gum wrapper. This looks way more sophisticated.
Yeah, this is,
Is it copper?
yes.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's copper in tape form.
Exactly. So pretty
Oh.
much the same, except...
So there's the back,
Mm-hmm.
and where it touches, where it touches,
Yes.
and where it touches, and then the front, where it touches the battery here. But I think, oh, that's
so
cool.
it's basically the same idea, but we're
Yeah.
using different
Different
a little bit
materials.
different, materials. Yeah. So
This
copper,
is so cool.
Yeah, and then we have, of course, the nickel battery. Yeah, and then
I like this.
the binder clip.
The binder clip.
Binder clip instead of paper clip.
Oh, that's so cool.
So that one actually works a little bit better because this, I think if you notice, the lights sometimes don't.
Yeah, it doesn't
So it
kind of make
kind of wears out the battery.
good
a little
contact
bit.
or whatnot.
Yeah,
And
so
then
this one, it's
this one
not
too,
contacted. Yeah.
for it to be on, I have to hold it.
Yes.
And this one, I can just flip it on.
Yeah.
This is cool. And that's just a craft stick.
Yeah,
Like
so-
an oversized popsicle stick.
Yeah. You wanna do one?
Awesome. Yeah, I would super
Okay.
like to make one. I think I can look at this one and
Kinda put
maybe
it
get
together.
get started
idea.
a little bit.
Well, that's I gave you
Oh.
one that's already cut. So we do need to cut. That's the one different too about this one is that this one is
that's so the
cut.
binder clip sits up
Yes,
against it.
because it's a
Okay.
bit harder to put.
Yeah,
the
it'd
binder clip
be
on
weird to
there.
have the binder clip on like that round part.
So you just
this
cut
is
a little
so
bit.
cool.
Let's see how much you cut out.
Not a lot, just enough to make it
yeah.
a flat instead of a round.
Yeah, exactly. So you're
Awesome.
gonna need that. So we have some
The copper in tape form.
yeah. Do you know where we
Cool.
could get these, Carr?
I'm
any
gonna guess
idea?
the hardware store.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Hardware store, they have them all over.
Interesting.
Probably get them on Amazon too.
Yeah.
All right, so you're just gonna
But it's just peel and stick. It's nothing special.
no.
Okay.
So peel and stick, and what you do is right here, you're gonna
Mm-hmm.
cut it. You're not gonna cut it, tape it all the way to the bottom.
Right,
So
there is
we're-
a little gap here.
Yeah, so
Okay.
we're gonna need to cut this a little bit, just a tad. All right. So I think that should be enough for the paper clip.
Okay.
So go ahead and take that.
Tape that in? Okay.
Yeah. So I'm gonna cut the other side for you.
Okay.
Okay. Get that ready for you.
Oh. Well, this seems like this is the hardest part. It's just getting the sticker
Yes.
part
I
off.
like to get it started and then stick it on here
Uh-huh.
already, and then pull them off as I'm doing it. You need help there?
Yeah, I need help.
Trevor? Okay.
I need help, Melanie.
Oh boy.
I need all the help.
This is actually, I feel like the hardest part because you have to,
Oh, it's so thin.
it is very
It's super thin. Maybe that's why I was having a hard time.
Here
Is
we
it-
go. Da,
Yeah.
da, da. So I like to get
Oh,
it
my
started
goodness.
here
Okay.
and then just kind of
Like a decal for like
yeah.
a truck or a surfboard.
Right.
Gotcha.
Just like oops.
Ooh.
Uh-oh.
Curly.
I think I pulled it out too fast. You just got to go slowly. Slowly. Okay, you can do the other side.
Okay.
Okay?
Wow, that copper tape is pretty thin. I'm
It
not
is
gonna
very
lie.
thin.
You gotta go
Yes,
slow
yes.
with that one.
And so here
Okay.
is binder
That's
clip.
the binder clip. That's
and
gonna
we're
go on the
need
end.
some-
And I've got some Scotch tape here,
Yes.
and I see a LED and a nickel button cell battery. So this is so cool. This is so simple too. This
Yeah.
is easy. I really like.
Easy to make.
Yeah, I like the
So
2.0
you can
a
finish
lot.
this one later,
I'm gonna
huh?
finish this
Yeah.
one up, guys. If you liked this activity as much as I did, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and as always, subscribe for more hands on science. We'll see you next
Bye.
time.